Hey guys, this is Eric of Investing Apps TV, and I'm excited to bring you guys an inside look at Robinhood Crypto today. I finally got Robinhood Crypto live inside my Robinhood app. It's ready to go. I'm going to show you guys its interface, all the features, and show you a real-time buy of Bitcoin on Robinhood. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so inside my Robinhood app today, I actually finally received invitation into the Robinhood Crypto trading. It's now live inside my app, and it may be soon coming to your app. If you don't already have it in your app, you may want to refresh your app, see if it's not there. Basically, it says, congratulations, you're invited to start trading Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then it says, get started. So all you have to do is click on get started right here. All right, then it says, Robinhood Crypto, invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum 24/7 and commission free. Before you click get started, you can always click learn more right here if you want to learn more. And this again just gives you a summary of Robinhood Crypto. So if you want, you could read more on that. Basically, it just says that initially the first two cryptocurrencies you can buy on Robinhood Crypto are Bitcoin and Ethereum, but they do also support tracking for 14 other cryptocurrencies, as you can see here, ranging from Bcash to Litecoin to Ripple to Monero, Zcash, Dash. But you cannot invest in those at this current time, only in Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. A few points to remember with Robinhood Crypto. Still at this point, it is only open to 5 states, and we'll get into that in just a bit. But for now, let's click on get started here to see what it's all about. I am pretty excited here. Just a Robinhood Crypto user agreement they want you to read through, so be sure to read through this, guys. I actually already read through it earlier, but I just want to show you guys that there is an agreement to read through, so just go ahead and read through that. And once you've read it, you want to click on review, and it's going to say by tapping the submit application button. Let's do that. So submit application, submitting. Congrats, you're ready to now trade Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that's awesome. It is now live in my app. I hope it's live in some of your guys' app as well. Then it says you could view either Bitcoin or view Ethereum. So let's click on view Bitcoin. And you can see the current price of Bitcoin again. The cool thing about crypto on all exchanges and now on Robinhood is that it's 24/7 trading. So if you want to trade cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can now do that on Robinhood 24/7. So there are no hours like the stock market. You can do this all night, all day. So you can see the current live prices right here over the past hour, how it's fluctuated over the past 24 hours, over the past week, over the past month, over the past year, and over the past 5 years. So you really can see the growth there, the fluctuations of it. So remember guys, cryptocurrency is still a very volatile asset compared to stocks. So be sure if you do want to invest in this, do your research and invest accordingly. Only invest what you can afford to lose. That's always good advice when it comes to volatile assets such as cryptocurrency. And below that, it also does show your buying power that you have inside the Robinhood app. So as you can see, I currently have $154.84 of buying power on the Robinhood app. So it's a very similar process to buying stocks on Robinhood. I would just click on buy right here, and it's going to ask you how much do you want to buy in US dollars. So you would input your amount right there. Here it shows you the estimated price. If you click on this little question mark, it does show you the estimated buy price of $10,813 is the current lowest price accepted by any seller, and it does show you also the estimated sell price as well. So you could always learn more on that as well. And when you open up that little help page, it does show you the minimum amount of cryptocurrency you can purchase on Robinhood, which is very low. You can place any order to buy or sell cryptocurrencies at any fractional amount above 0.00001 Bitcoin and 0.001 Ethereum. All right, so let's go back now to the app though. So this is also interesting. I noticed that on Robinhood Crypto, similar to buying stocks on Robinhood, you could also do a couple order types. Now, they don't have as many order types as you can on stocks, but it looks like there are currently 2, a market order and a limit order. And again, guys, a market order is just buying at the current market price at the best price available, while the limit order, you set a price that you want to buy in at and it will execute at that time automatically. So if you want to do a limit order, you could say, let's specify the maximum amount you're willing to pay per Bitcoin. So it shows you beneath that the current estimated price to buy. And let's say you didn't want to buy any Bitcoin until the price dropped to, let's say, $10,100. Okay, you could do that. You can go in there and that would be your limit price and it won't buy any until that time. But for the purpose of this video, I want to show you guys a real-time buy here just to see, because I'm actually pretty excited about this. So let's go back to market order. It's going to buy at the current price. So let's just say I want to buy $10 worth of Bitcoin. I would type in $10. I could click this little check mark right there and it says you are placing an order to buy $10 of Bitcoin. All right. And it's going to transfer the $10 from my buying power into Robinhood Crypto. So let's swipe up to submit. Let's do this here, guys. sending order, order received. All right, BTC order completed. So I have a new position of Bitcoin, nice. All right. And it shows 0 commissions paid. So that's awesome. There were no fees to buy Bitcoin here on Robinhood. That's pretty cool. So let's click OK from there. All right. So nice. And now if you go back into Bitcoin on Robinhood, it will now show you your position. So it now shows my position currently about $9.99, $10 worth of Bitcoin is my current position, currently 0.00092577. And it also does show you beneath that your average cost and your total return as well as a history. And again, how much buying power you have. So this is a very similar layout to the stocks on Robinhood. I will say it's very interesting. I do like how you can do a limit order or a market order. So it gives you a little bit of flexibility. You have a couple options there. And now that you see that I bought some Bitcoin, I now have the option to also sell. So I can click on the sell button here and I could sell however much I want to sell. So let's say, for example, I only wanted to sell half of my holdings. I could sell $5 worth of Bitcoin. And again, I would click this arrow right here and swipe up to submit. But for right now, I'm going to keep that $10 worth of Bitcoin. I just want to show you guys that this sell button will appear after you buy some Bitcoin. Then you'll have the option to sell. So just like that, you guys can also click on the search up here and go to crypto, type in crypto, and you'll see where it says cryptocurrencies, show all. Go ahead and click on that. And again, guys, this shows you the current 16 cryptocurrencies that you can track on Coinbase. Yes, there are 16 currently. Now, again, keep in mind, if you click on one of the other ones, like for example, if you click on Litecoin right here, you cannot buy it because Robinhood only supports buying for Bitcoin and Ethereum at this time, but you can still track it on the app here. So that's pretty cool. Gives you a little place to track them. But again, you guys can buy Ethereum currently. So you click on Ethereum, and again, you see it's very similar to the Bitcoin. You do see the performance over the past 24 hours versus over the past week, month, year, 5 years. And you would click buy, and you could similarly buy some Ethereum as well. So let's say I wanted to buy $10 of Ethereum. I could click $10 and I would do it just like the Bitcoin. I'm really excited that this is the first day I've had access to it. Let me know down below if you guys have access now to Robinhood Crypto. If any of you have, I want to hear your take on it. Let me know what you think. It's a pretty cool interface. I like the purple color schemes, and it just seems really cool overall. And also, guys, one last thing I want to show you. You can add these to your watch list. So let's say you want to watch Ethereum. You would type in Ethereum and click on this little plus right there, and that will add it to your watch list. So as you can see, I'm now watching Bitcoin and Ethereum in my app right here on the home page. I do also notice, guys, at this time that you do not have the option after I bought some Bitcoin to transfer it out to another mobile wallet if you want to send it to another exchange or to another cryptocurrency or Bitcoin wallet. From my first initial look at this, I do not see the option to send that cryptocurrency out. It looks like it's going to be stored here on Robinhood for the time being. Initially, I do remember reading that they do plan to offer support for you to be able to send cryptocurrency from Robinhood out to other mobile wallets or other exchanges, as well as receive it into your Robinhood account. But initially, on its launch date here, I will say, guys, you cannot do that, but you can buy and sell pretty much 24/7 with 0 fees. I think this is really great for the cryptocurrency space, for the Bitcoin space. I think it's really great that they will now have a way to be introduced to cryptocurrencies to trade without fees for the everyday user. So that's pretty awesome overall, guys. And that pretty much sums up today's video, guys, on Robinhood Crypto going live. Again, I hope some of you guys have it in your Robinhood app as well. Like I said, let me know down below if any of you guys received Robinhood Crypto inside your Robinhood app. I really want to hear if others have got this. They actually just started rolling this out a few days ago, so it's a few days in now, and I finally got access. I'm super pumped, super excited. I think this is going to be a really great way to introduce a lot of new Robinhood users into cryptocurrency. And if you guys have any questions about Robinhood Crypto, feel free to leave your questions down below in the comments. As you guys know, I'm always happy to connect with you guys down in the comments and definitely help you guys out with your questions. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, and I will bring you guys more Robinhood Crypto videos and more investing app tutorials coming soon as well.